Tonight at 6, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Thanks, Zaira. We are seeing some heavier rain moving into the area right now on our radar and satellite, and we will see a mixed precipitation overnight as well. Let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are seeing some moderate to heavy rain showers that is moving into our area right now, along with the wintry mix possible in the overnight hours, especially for areas up north, like in Lewis County and northern Oneida and northern Herkimer County, the areas that do have that winter weather advisory in effect. So if you are traveling at all overnight tonight or tomorrow morning, we are going to be seeing a wintry mix with some ice accumulation possible, so just be careful when driving. The wintry mix is going to change into snow showers tomorrow afternoon and evening, and it will clear out in the night hours. So we are going to be seeing that wintry mix overnight and early tomorrow morning. This does change over to snow for most of the day tomorrow, and we are going to be seeing a colder, drier weather ahead. Before this evening, we are still very mild. Our temperatures are in the low 40s, and we are going to be seeing that rain coming in quite soon, and I will be tracking that out coming up. Back to you, Sayara.
Thank you, Hannah. Oneonta.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome back. We are going to be seeing some rain moving into the area within the next hour or so, turning into a mix overnight and then some snow tomorrow. Let's take a live look at our CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are dry and mostly cloudy right now in Utica. It is still pretty warm out. We are still seeing temperatures in the mid-40s. Now, on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we do see some rain showers coming into the area from the west. So these will come into the area for the evening hours, and we are going to be seeing some mixed precipitation, especially in the northern part of our viewing area, northern Herkimer County, northern Oneida County, and Lewis County. So just be careful of some slick spots overnight tonight. That wintry mix will then turn over to some snow for the day tomorrow. This is all because there is a cold front moving through our area, so we are just going to be getting some rain from this. But areas down south of us that are still very warm, they are seeing some pretty severe thunderstorms right now. So we are not going to be seeing any of that. We are going to be seeing some rain and then a wintry mix overnight tonight. So here's the winter weather advisory in effect for northern Oneida, northern Herkimer, and Lewis County. So they go into effect at all different times, but overall, I would say from 7 p.m. tonight until 7 a.m. tomorrow. This is in effect after 7 or 8 a.m. tomorrow. That wintry mix will stop, and we'll get a little bit of a break, and then we are going to be seeing some snow moving in the afternoon hours. We did get some Skywatch reports coming in this evening, still very mild. Our temperatures are in the upper 30s to low 40s. We have 37 in Curtis Corners, 41 in West Leiden. If we do go a bit farther down south, we have 47 in Cooperstown, 48 in Edmiston. So again, some temperatures are even near 50, 51 in West Lawrence. Very, very warm for the start of January. Now, like I said, we are going to be seeing a wintry mix, so this does bring in the possibility of some ice accumulation, especially up in the North Country. Some in the Mohawk Valley as well, and even a little bit in Madison County. So I would just be careful of that if you are hitting the roads either tonight or tomorrow morning. There may be some slick spots. Now, we are not looking to get a lot of snowfall accumulation tomorrow. Overall, it does look like 1 to 2 inches. We were looking at 1 inch in the Mohawk Valley, a little under in the southern valleys, and it could be up to 2 inches up in the North Country. So little accumulation is coming from this snowfall. Let's look at everything on our Skycast. We are going to be seeing that rain moving in, turning into that wintry mix in the overnight hours and morning hours, especially for the North Country. We do get a break in later on in the morning tomorrow, and then some snow does come in. It doesn't look like a lot. We are going to be getting less than 1 inch to 2 inches of snow for the North Country. This then does clear out for the overnight hours into Monday. It is going to be getting very cold overnight into Monday, and we are going to be getting a taste of those winter temperatures. Our high on Monday only looks to be in the mid-20s, and it is going to be quite windy coming in from the northwest, so it is just going to feel very, very cold on Monday. Before this evening, we have our temperatures in the low to mid-40s. We are going to be seeing some rain, and tomorrow a high in the mid-30s. That will happen in the morning, and our temperature will drop throughout the day. So we are going to be seeing that wintry mix with some snow tomorrow. We are dry for the start of the week on Monday, but it is going to be very cold and windy on Monday. The temperature slowly rises as we get into the middle of the week with some chances of snow Thursday and Friday. Back to you, Sarah.
Thank you, Hannah. Coming up next, Taha Rao is in forecast tonight. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We are tracking some rain in the area right now. We're also seeing a little bit of a wintry mix if you do live up north in the North Country. So we are going to be seeing that wintry mix overnight tonight and early tomorrow morning before that rain and that wintry mix changes over to snow. This is because the temperature will drop into the freezing levels. Now, after this change over to snow, we will dry out for Monday, but we are going to be seeing very cold weather and very breezy conditions on Monday, and it is going to be pretty dry for most of the week. So if you are planning on traveling or for your commute tomorrow, we are going to be seeing a wintry mix in the morning, changing over to snow showers for the afternoon and evening. Overnight, it is going to dry out, but there still is going to probably be some slippery spots, so just be careful of that. So we were in the mid-40s for this evening. We are now down to kind of the upper 30s. That temperature will continue to drop overnight as this cold front does move through. We will see a high temperature in the mid-30s tomorrow, but that will happen in the morning, and our temperature will continue to drop throughout the day. And as we get into the night hours tomorrow into Monday, our temperatures are going to be dropping into the teens. But tonight we just have a low in the lower 30s, and we are seeing kind of a wintry mix outside in some of our areas. And I will be tracking this out further coming up. Back to you, Sayara.
Thank you, Hannah. For
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good evening, everybody. We are tracking some rain showers in the Mohawk Valley and the Southern Valleys here this evening. We are also seeing a wintry mix up in the North Country. Let's take a live look at our CAPV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We kind of are experiencing a little bit of low visibility because of the rain that is happening right now. We can still pretty much see the city lights. Just a reminder that we do have a winter weather advisory in effect for northern Oneida, northern Herkimer, and Lewis counties. These go into effect at all different times, but I would mainly just say watch out for icy spots and slick spots because we are seeing a wintry mix in the northern part of our viewing area. So these areas are under question, and we are going to be seeing that wintry mix change over to some snow for the afternoon and evening hours tomorrow. Our low temperatures that night aren't that cold. We are seeing temperatures that are pretty warm. That is why we are kind of seeing a wintry mix of weather and rain rather than some snow showers. Looks like we are up in the lower 30s up in the North Country, in the mid to upper 30s in the Mohawk Valley, with Middleville at 40 degrees, Little Falls at 43. So we are still pretty warm outside. That temperature will continue to drop throughout the night tonight and throughout the day tomorrow as that cold front does move through. And we are going to be seeing cooler temperatures on Monday. So speaking of these cooler temperatures, our high tomorrow is in the mid 30s. That will happen in the morning. As that cold front moves through, temperatures will drop throughout the day. And on Monday, it is going to be very cold, feeling a lot more like winter than what we have been experiencing. On Monday, our high temperatures just in the lower to mid 20s. It is going to be very windy too, so it is going to feel pretty cold on Monday. But come Tuesday, come Wednesday, we are climbing up once again to a high near 40 on Wednesday and back down into the low 30s on Thursday. We are going to be seeing overcast skies tomorrow as we experience those snow showers in the area. But Monday and Tuesday, we are going to be seeing mostly sunny skies. It is going to feel a little bit cooler, though, than what we have been experiencing. Come Wednesday, we are going to be seeing mostly cloudy skies, but we still are going to be getting a few breaks in those clouds for some sunshine. With this wintry mix coming in overnight tonight, we are keeping an eye on the ice accumulation. We could see some ice and some slick spots, especially up in the North Country and a little bit here in the Mohawk Valley. So if you are traveling overnight tonight or early tomorrow morning, I would just be careful of some slick spots on the roadways and even your sidewalks as you are heading out the door. Looks like we are not really going to be getting that much accumulation of the snowfall for tomorrow. Looks like under an inch for the Southern Valleys, around an inch for the Mohawk Valleys, and around 2 inches for the North Country. So still not a significant amount of snow in our area just yet. So we are seeing that wintry mix in the North Country right now and some rain in our area. We will be seeing that end tomorrow morning and turning into some snow for the afternoon and for the evening hours. Little accumulation is expected from this. Now overnight tomorrow into Monday, it is going to get pretty cold. Our temperatures are dropping into the teens and into the single digits. On Monday, we are only going to see a high in the low 20s, and it is going to be pretty windy coming in from the northwest, so it is going to feel very, very cold on Monday. But for this evening, we have our temperatures in the 40s. They are slowly dropping as we get into the overnight hours, and they will continue to drop tomorrow. Tomorrow we see a high in the mid-30s. That will happen in the morning, and that temperature will drop into the upper 20s by the evening. We are going to be seeing some snow showers tomorrow. So snow showers tomorrow, and we are drying out for the start of the week on Monday, but still very cold, and it is going to be windy, so not really a good day to spend outside. We are warming up a little bit for Tuesday and even more on Wednesday.